Today I'm trying airdrops so you don't have to. I don't really know much about airdrops, but I got a separate MetaMask wallet connected so I can connect to these things. It's like a spare MetaMask wallet. I also have revoke.cash open just in case I want to um basically revoke my permissions on one of these sites. So we're gonna see if it's a scam or not. I kind of want to do the hottest airdrops. Let's try Arcus. 532 degrees. Arcus is a decentralized exchange built by the DYDX Labs team in partnership with Robinhood Crypto. Hey guys, this is a friendly reminder that this is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advisor if you need financial advice. Also, crypto airdrops are really risky. Never give out your wallet information to someone that you don't trust. I have a burner wallet, but let's get into it. So it looks like I need money for this one. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that right now, but we're gonna go ahead and make an Arcus account. I guess when you trade on spot, you get you're submitted into the airdrop. So we're gonna make an Arcus account and just show you guys. I'm gonna skip this part, but okay, it looks like I can't even do this one because I'm not in the jurisdiction. Let's try Monetrics. Okay, that seems complicated. You gotta have money for this as well. Maybe I should save up for some monies. Let's try Soul Pump. Grab free Solana. This looks like my type of. Soul Pump is a premier on-chain Solana betting platform that specializes in crash games and we get a daily case. Redeem an affiliate code. Take me to the Telegram. Discord maybe? It's kind of sketchy now that it's going to my um I want to go through Telegram. There we go. Let's see what we get. What? I can't even open my free case? That's so lame. You have to have a certain amount. This looks kind of like up my alley. Like you get signing up with code PLANEMO and earn 15% more extended points, receive trading fees back. This is probably going to be expensive though, so I'm probably not going to be able to do it. Oh, it's not available. Yeah, it's expensive or not. We can't do this. Um, Good idea though. Good idea. Okay, so we can get paid to take photos. There we go. Okay, we're gonna upload one of my YouTube videos and see what we can get. Oh, you only get a penny for 5 videos and a penny for 15 photos. That's pretty lame. I don't think it's worth it really. It's like 0.20 cents. That's definitely not worth it. Okay, on to the next thing. We tried it out. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna try this. Um, we're gonna go to Brighter. Oh, can I go follow Brighter's X? Okay, my referral link for Brighter will be in the description below. Um, I don't know exactly what token it's gonna become or if it even is gonna become a token. But remember guys, when you're linking your accounts, I got a burner Twitter and a burner MetaMask, so just be careful when you're linking your accounts. Most of these um, airdrops need like currency or like you gotta trade on them and stuff. I'm probably gonna do another video in the future, but this is just my intro into airdrops, just seeing if they're scams or not. Right now, I don't know if any of these are scams. I don't think they are, but you never know. That's why I always use a burner wallet when you're doing these, and then transfer them into your main wallet. Okay, so basically it's a gotcha game, gotcha NFT simulator. I wonder if they give you anything free. They do not give you anything free. Okay, well, it's pretty interesting, these airdrops, but you gotta have money for them. I'm gonna save up some money and do some more airdrops later. I'm gonna see if we can find one more that kind of is free. I think the only free one I've seen so far is the brighter one. Latest airdrops, Arc Nova. So how do you, I'm curious. Let's try this out. Let's go to the Arc Nova task page. You get gold points for connecting your or for watching videos, AI slop. I don't know how you get those gold points to real currency. It should have 10 points. It's kind of laggy. I don't know if I trust this one. I mean, it's backed by some pretty good people, but maybe it's just the since I can't show you my phone, we're just gonna skip to the next one. Most of these hot ones are like you gotta. Okay, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. That was interesting. When I have some more monies, I will definitely get more into these. But I found one free one. I mean, that's not bad. Brighter. Link will be in the description of this below. But always do your own research. Don't if you don't trust it, don't add your main wallet. If I would just get a burner wallet and then add that. Um, but yeah, that's gonna be a wrap, guys. I'm Stay Devoted. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of seeing what airdrops are like. But peace out.